Here start with the first question. If A 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 and B is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 6. These are the sets of A and B. So then find the A intersection B. He asking for A intersection B and B intersection A. Okay. So we start here. So first set is A. Okay. We write is A 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. And second set is B here. So 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 6. There is no 4 is not given. So these are the two sets. We need to find intersection. A intersection B is equal to. So first we find A intersection B. After that B intersection A. So first A intersection B is equal to. So first set is 1, 2, 3, 4. No? So intersection 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. What is will happen here? Intersection means. So here what are the terms in both sets? So 1 and 2 and 3. These are the A intersection B. Okay. So next one B intersection A. So B intersection A means 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So intersection 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to find intersection here also. Same 1, 2, 3 will come set like this. B intersection A also will come 1, 2, 3. So therefore from 1 and 2 like this is 1 and this is 2. So from my 1 and 2, so A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So these are the two are same here. So this is a solution for first one. Here second one solution. So second one A is equal to 0, comma 2, comma 4 is a set. Find A intersection null set and A intersection A and comment on this one. So he asking for comment on that one. So given null, this is a null set. Okay, this is a null set. We need to find A intersection pi. Okay, this is a pi is a null set. Okay, so A means 0, comma 2, comma 4 and intersection null set. Null set means how much? Nothing like this. Okay, so this is there is no element in that. So what will happen? So it will come null set only. A intersection null set is equal to null set only. So this is a 1. So we need to find A intersection A. So A intersection A means how much? 0, comma 2, comma 4 intersection 0, comma 2, comma 4. Okay, so what will come answer like this? So it will come 0, comma 2, comma 4 only. So this is a 2 from 1 and 2. So how much will come? So here he asking for that only comment on this statements. Okay, so from 1 it is a intersection null set is equal to null set, and from second one A intersection A is equal to A only. So these are the two points from the question. Okay, so this is the answer here. So here third one solution. First if A is equal to this is a set and B is equal to this is a set, find A into A minus B and B minus C. So first we find A minus B is equal to, so A is how much? 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma 10, and B is equal to 3, comma 6, comma 9, comma 12, comma 15. So we need to find here A into A minus B. So A minus B means the numbers between in the this first is set 2, comma 4, comma 6 is in the both side. That why we don't take. So we doing minus here. So that's why we don't take, and we take only remaining terms without this number like 8, 10. Okay, in the both terms there is only 6 is in the both terms. If we remove this, we need to write A only here. So without 6, like because 6 in this both sets like this. So A is equal to this one, and B minus A we need to find here. B is equal to how much? 3, comma 6, comma 9, comma 12, comma 15. So minus 2, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma 10 is the A set. So answer will come 3, 9, 12, 5, 15. Okay, 3, 9, 12, 15, 3, 9, 12, 15. So without 6, because 6 in a 2 sets, we remove this 6, the remaining set will come like this. So therefore A minus B not equal to B minus A here. Okay, so fourth one solution. So if A and B are the two sets such that A subset to B, he's saying, and what is the A union B? So then we need to find A union B also. So we think that let A is equal to set like 1 2 3, we think that, and B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, we think that like this. These are the two sets. So we need to find a subset to B here. So 1 2 3 is in the B only, so that's why A is subset to B. So A is a subset of B. Subset means some numbers like some elements in the A only remaining, like from the B it is in the A. So like 1 2 3. Okay, so that's why it is called a subset. And here A union B is equal to how much? So 1 2 3 union 1 2 3 4 5. So A union B is equal to, so union means 1 2 3 total we have to write. So already 1 is existing here, so we need to write 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a B set. Okay, A union B is equal to B set. So if any case A is a subset of B, then B is the ultimate answer here. Okay, so fifth one, if A is a natural number set and B is a even natural number set and C is a odd natural number and D is a prime number set, so find A intersection B and A intersection C, A intersection D and B intersection C and B intersection. These are the, we have to find these things. So first solution, A is a natural number sets, so like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dash 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 up to 11 12 like goes on. Okay, so B is equal to, so what is the B is equal to? Even natural number. Even means 2 4 6 and 8 dash dash dash. Okay, and C is equal to here odd natural number. Okay, 1 3 5 7 dash dash dash. So D is equal to, so D is a prime number set. What is the prime numbers here? 2 3 5 7, okay, 11 dash dash dash. Okay, so we need to find A intersection B and A intersection C and A intersection D also. So first we find A intersection B. So A means natural number set only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. Okay, so intersection B is a 2 4 6 8 and dash 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 like this. Okay, here intersection means both the terms in a same numbers in the both sets, like a 2 4 6 8 10. These are the sets A intersection B. Okay, so we need to find here A intersection C. So A means 1 2 3 4 5 dash 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 up to, and intersection C means C is a here odd number set, 1 3 5 7 dash dash dash. Okay, up to 9 10 like that. So intersection is equal to how much? A intersection C is equal to, so C only, so 1 3 5 7 dash 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 will come like this. Okay, so and A intersection D, so A intersection A means 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, so dash dash intersection means series, in the C terms only will coming, like in the A B terms only will coming like this. These are the important point we need to hear. Okay, so it will come like this. So between this because this is a whole number set, that's why this will coming like this. Okay, so otherwise it will change in the answer. Please recognize that. Okay, and here D means the prime number set, 1 2 3 5 7 and 11. These are the, okay, so it will come like this. It will come like 2 3 5 7 dash 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 like this. Okay, and here B intersection C we need to find. Okay, so B is how much here? B even number set, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma dash dash dash. C means odd number set, intersection odd number set means 1 3 5 7 dash dash dash. So it will come like null set because there is a no number equal in these two terms. So this way this is a null set, like a null like this one. So B and D you please do. Okay, 7, then state which whether the following statement is true or false, justify your answer. So this is a set and this is a set are disjoint sets he saying. So we try to give the answer here. So here rule is, so think that it is a set, okay, and this is a B set. So A intersection B will become null set hona. So then only this is a disjoint sets. Rule is disjoint sets. Okay, the rule is if two, okay, two sets are disjoints, their intersection will be null set. Then only this become disjoint sets. Otherwise, it will not. So we try. Disjoint sets are not. So we see. Okay, 2, 3, 4 and 6 intersection 3 comma 6. So 3 is in the both sets. So this is not a null set. Okay, so it is not a disjoint sets. Okay, so term is false. And second one solution, A E I O U. So is a vowel set. A is a common term because so it is coming in the both sets. A E I O U intersection A B C D. So it will coming in a like this. So now that is an article null set. So it is also false. Okay. So here solution this one. So 2 comma 6 comma 10 comma 14. Okay, we check this one disjoints or not. So 3 comma 7 comma 11 comma 15. So there is no single term is equal in this. That's why it is a null set. So these are the disjoint sets. Okay, true. So this one solution 2 comma 6 comma 10 intersection 3 comma 7 comma 11. So this way in this also there is no common element, so that's why it will become null set. So it is true. These are the disjoint sets. Okay, so up to this one exercise completed 7 point so sorry.